Why aren't more people talking about financial readiness? It's time to change that. Join me as I face my financial reality head-on and discover just how ready I really am. It's time to take control of our financial future. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics for our next video, please leave a comment. Open your eyes. Financial reality awaits. Are you truly aware of your financial situation? Many people avoid facing their finances head-on. This lack of awareness can lead to stress and poor financial decisions. It is time to rip off the band-aid and face reality. Taking a hard look at your finances can be daunting, but it is the crucial first step toward achieving financial peace. Ignoring your finances won't make them disappear. In fact, it often makes things worse. Unpaid bills pile up. Debt accumulates interest. Soon you're trapped in a cycle of financial stress. Don't let this happen to you. Take a deep breath and commit to confronting your financial reality. Gather your bank statements, credit card bills, and loan documents. It's time to see the full picture, no matter how uncomfortable it may feel. Remember, you can't fix what you don't acknowledge. This is your wake-up call. It's time to take control of your money before it takes control of you. The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step: facing your financial reality. Spending traps. Recognizing and escaping common pitfalls. In today's fast-paced world, managing finances can be a daunting task. However, by being aware of common pitfalls, you can take proactive steps to avoid them and secure your financial future. We live in a society that encourages overspending. Everywhere we turn, there are opportunities to spend money, often on things we don't really need. Tempting advertisements and deals constantly bombard us. These marketing tactics are designed to make us feel like we're missing out if we don't buy now. It's easy to fall into the trap of living beyond our means. The allure of new gadgets, fashionable clothes, and luxury items can be hard to resist. But overspending can quickly derail your financial goals. When you spend more than you earn, you end up in debt, which can be difficult to escape. One of the biggest culprits is impulse buying. Those unplanned purchases can add up quickly and leave you wondering where all your money went. That spontaneous purchase may feel good in the moment, but it can lead to regret later. It's important to differentiate between needs and wants. Before you swipe your card, ask yourself, do I really need this, or do I just want it? Taking a moment to reflect can save you from unnecessary expenses. Another common trap is lifestyle inflation. As you earn more, you might feel the urge to spend more, upgrading your lifestyle in the process. As your income increases, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle accordingly. However, this can lead to a cycle where you're always chasing the next big thing. This can lead to a never-ending cycle of wanting more and never getting ahead. Instead of finding satisfaction, you may find yourself constantly stressed about money. Focus on living below your means, not within them. This means spending less than you earn and saving the difference. Small, seemingly insignificant expenses can also drain your bank account over time. Those little purchases can add up to a significant amount. That daily latte or subscription you rarely use might seem inconsequential, but they add up. Cutting back on these can free up money for more important things. Track your spending for a month and identify areas where you can cut back. This can be an eye-opening exercise that reveals where your money is really going. By understanding and avoiding these common spending traps, you can regain control of your finances. It's about making informed decisions and being mindful of your spending habits. Remember, it's not about deprivation, but about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. By doing so, you can achieve financial stability and peace of mind. Set clear financial goals and celebrate your milestones. This will keep you motivated and focused on your long-term objectives. Seek professional advice if needed. A financial advisor can provide valuable insights and help you create a plan tailored to your needs. With the right strategies and mindset, you can navigate the complexities of personal finance and build a secure future for yourself and your loved ones. Saving grace. Building a safety net for a secure future. Saving money is crucial for financial security. It provides a buffer for unexpected expenses and allows you to pursue your goals without going into debt. However, many people struggle to save consistently. The first step is to make saving a habit. Automate your savings by setting up a recurring transfer from your checking to your savings account. Even small amounts saved consistently can add up over time. Start by building an emergency fund. This fund should cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. It acts as a safety net for unexpected events such as job loss or medical emergencies. Knowing you have this fund provides peace of mind. Once you have a solid emergency fund, you can focus on saving for other goals. This could be a down payment on a house, a car, or your dream vacation. Having specific goals can make saving more motivating. Remember, saving is not about depriving yourself. It's about prioritizing your future financial well-being. By making saving a habit, you can build a secure future for yourself and your family. Section 4. Emergency fund, your first line of defense against financial chaos. Life is full of surprises and not all of them are pleasant. From sudden medical emergencies to unexpected car repairs, these surprises can catch us off guard and wreak havoc on our finances. Unexpected expenses, such as medical bills or car repairs, can arise at any time. These unforeseen costs can quickly add up, putting a strain on your budget and potentially leading to financial instability. Without an emergency fund, these events can derail your finances and lead to debt. The stress of not having a financial safety net can be overwhelming, causing anxiety and sleepless nights. An emergency fund is a stash of money set aside specifically for unexpected expenses. It's a financial buffer that can help you navigate through tough times without having to rely on credit cards or loans. It acts as a financial cushion, allowing you to handle these situations without going into debt. Knowing you have a safety net can provide immense peace of mind and reduce financial stress. This fund should be easily accessible, such as in a high-yield savings account. Keeping your emergency fund in a high-yield account allows your money to grow while still being readily available when you need it. How much should you save in your emergency fund? This is a common question, and the answer can vary depending on your personal circumstances. A good rule of thumb is to have 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved. This amount can provide a comfortable buffer to cover essential costs such as rent, utilities, groceries, and other necessities. This means if you lose your job or face a major unexpected expense, you can cover your essential costs for several months. Having this financial cushion can give you the time you need to find a new job or recover from a financial setback without the added pressure of immediate financial strain. Building an emergency fund takes time and discipline. It's important to start small and gradually build up your savings over time. Start by setting a realistic savings goal, even if it's just a small amount each month. Consistency is key, and even small contributions can add up over time. Automate your savings so you don't have to think about it. Setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund can help ensure that you consistently contribute to your savings without having to remember to do it manually. Having an emergency fund provides peace of mind and financial security. It allows you to enjoy life without constantly worrying about what might go wrong. It empowers you to face unexpected challenges without derailing your financial progress. Start building yours today and take the first step towards financial stability and peace of mind. Section 5. Conquering debt. Strategies for freedom and peace of mind. Debt can be a heavy burden, both financially and emotionally. It can feel like a dark cloud hanging over your life, affecting your mental well-being and your ability to make sound financial decisions. It can limit your options, increase your stress levels, and prevent you from achieving your financial goals. The constant worry about how to make ends meet can be overwhelming. The good news is that you can break free from debt and regain control of your finances. It may not be easy, but with determination and the right strategies, you can achieve financial freedom. The first step is to create a budget and stick to it. A budget is a powerful tool that helps you understand where your money is going and how you can manage it better. This will help you track your income and expenses, identify areas where you can cut back, and free up money to put towards debt repayment. It's about making conscious choices and prioritizing your spending. There are many budgeting methods available. Find one that works for you. Whether it's the envelope system, zero-based budgeting, or using a digital app, the key is consistency and commitment. Once you have a budget, it's time to create a debt repayment plan. This plan will serve as your roadmap to financial freedom. There are 2 main approaches: the snowball method and the avalanche method. Each has its own benefits and can be effective depending on your situation. The snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first. This can provide quick wins and build momentum. giving you the motivation to tackle larger debts, while the avalanche method prioritizes debts with the highest interest rates. This approach can save you more money in the long run by reducing the amount of interest you pay. Negotiating with your creditors can also be beneficial. Many creditors are willing to work with you if you communicate openly and honestly about your situation. Contact your credit card companies and lenders to see if they offer hardship programs, lower interest rates, or waived fees. These options can make a significant difference in your repayment journey. You might be surprised at what they are willing to do to help you get back on track. Sometimes, all it takes is asking for help to find a solution that works for both parties. Remember, conquering debt takes time and effort. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and persistence are key. Stay focused on your goals, celebrate your progress along the way, and don't be afraid to seek support from financial advisors or credit counseling agencies. They can provide valuable guidance and support to help you stay on track. Educating yourself about personal finance is also crucial. The more you know, the better equipped you will be to make informed decisions and avoid falling back into debt. Building an emergency fund can provide a safety net for unexpected expenses, preventing you from relying on credit cards or loans in times of need. Ultimately, the goal is to achieve financial stability and peace of mind. By taking control of your debt and managing your finances wisely, you can create a brighter, more secure future for yourself and your loved ones. Imagine the freedom of living without the weight of debt, being able to pursue your dreams and enjoy life to the fullest. It's possible, and it starts with taking that first step today. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promise. Quick tip alert, avoid this money mishap. Many think saving means cutting all fun. Wrong. Budget for joy and essentials. Balance is key. Don't sacrifice your happiness for savings. Manage smartly. Live happily. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.